Okay, update on the Raspberry Pi 4. 4GB. So it's got a full aluminium heat sink on it. Also goes underneath. Put some little feet on there because it's sitting on top of the SSD into the USB 3. It's not booting off it though, it's booting off an SD card. Only the boot partition though. So the root file system is on the drive. It's very easy to get it to do this. I did try to get it boot directly off the SSD, but all sorts of EEPROM issues or whatever, could not get it to do it with Ubuntu Mate. I could get it boot off the drive with Raspbian, but not Ubuntu Mate. Anyway, it's working like this, just need an SD card in there with a boot partition at the end of the day. So, got this old fan from a PC. I could do some black tape around there actually. It's a stealth fan, so it's quite fun anyway. Normally into the 12V line, but I've got it in a 5V line, so it is very quiet. Just turn the speakers down. Can you hear that? So sitting at normal distance, you can barely hear it.
You can't.
Barely hear it. So that's running fine. It can get a bit warm, the heatsink can, but I have overclocked it to 2 GHz on a 6 over voltage. Won't do anything over 2 GHz, which is a shame, but the lottery hasn't given me a good chip here. What, 2 GHz, there's plenty overclock, I suppose, 40% speed boost. So, just running YouTube at the moment. It's not the best video to demonstrate this. Let's go back to the beginning. Here we go. It's pretty. I mean, that's pretty smooth in a window. The desktop, however, is 1440p. So that's playing a 1080p 30 video, that is, and it's smooth enough. And it will go full screen.
Right.
This is my other channel, Everyday Photography. So if I go full screen, see if we get any drop frames. Let's go stats for nerds. So a few drop frames initially on the desktop, but now full screen. It's running sweet. There's not much moving, I suppose. But it is the video playback 1080p 30 full screen is pretty decent actually.
Sun's just got it now.
Let's just escape out of that.
See how that turns out.
So it's a bit of an easy video, but let's try something else while it's playing that. Let's start that video again.
Okay.
Oh, let's just go a bit further forward.
Got the video camera precariously.
See, searching is
What I can
okay.
do, maybe shoot wide open or something. Get a shot of depth of field. But yeah.
So it's not dropping any really,
Wow.
but let's do something that's going to hurt it. Quite two. And a YouTube video. Let's just move it out the side of it.
On those branches there. You just see how the bright sun.
So the YouTube video is, well, struggling, as to be expected. Oh, come on, Quake 2's 1997. Does Quake 3 as well. It's a 10/24/768 window as well, so, you know. Oh, let's play the video, kind of. I reckon it's the GPU that's faulty. And there we have it. So
let's shoot it again.
very usable. Very usable. Pretty quiet too. Did have to do a fix on the sound because Quake games were distorting the sound, but you can easily Google a fix for that. And there we go.
Okay.